Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these hair tie bows. All you need is some cotton yarn, a 3.5mm hook, a yarn needle, a hair tie and some scissors. Okay, to start you want to make a slip knot. And chain 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Right, you want to skip this first chain, yarn over and go into the second chain. Make a half double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, go into the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three. Okay, yarn over, go in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three. Okay, so you want to do that until you get to the end of the chain. So you should have 25, because we use the last stitch as a turning chain. So you can use any color yarn, and you can use a few different crochet hooks. So I've used a 2.5, use a 3, this is a 3.5, and it will just give you a bigger or smaller bow. Right, that's the last one. Right, with this end tail, you can make the last stitch like that. And then just put your needle through these three loops, just like that. And it brings the yarn tail to the top of that stitch, so then we can hide it in the next row. Alright, so the next row, chain 1 and turn. And you just want to do the same. And you just want a half double crochet for 7 rows in total, so 6 more rows. So to hide this tail, yarn over. I'm going to go under the tail and through that first stitch. Okay. You don't have to do it this way. You can just use your yarn needle at the end and stitch it through. Right, I'll just do it through a few and then I'll cut that off at the end. Okay, so keep going until you've done 6 more rows, which is 7 in total, and then I'll show you how to finish it off. Okay. Okay, so now that you've done your 7 rows, should look like that. So, chain 1, and you want to have a long tail. Or 2. Cut your yarn and just pull that through. Okay. With this one, you just want to thread it back through again so it doesn't come undone. Right. Okay, so you got your hair tie. How does it look? Right, so pinch the middle, fold the top to the middle, and the bottom to the middle. Right. This one's quite a little bit bigger. So this is a 2.5mm hook and this is the 3.5. Just so you can see the difference. Right. Thread your yarn tail to the center. fold it. And once you've got it where you want it to be, all you need to do is pull your hair tie at the back, and you just need to thread your yarn through like that. Okay, so once you've done that, you just want to thread through the center of the bow so you can feel it going through all three of these layers. And up the other side. And then just thread it through the back. And make a knot. Right, and then you just want to hide the yarn. And here a couple of times. There we are. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.